Bismillah, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello friends, my name is Patel Akram from 11 RPLA IDN Boarding School. So today I will explain about my hometown. And there is two parts. The first part is like I will answer a personal question. The total is 4 questions. So let's go to the first question. The first question is, do you currently live in a city or a rural area? So for the answer is, I currently live in Bogor. It's a city, but it feels more like a suburb with a lot of green areas. The reason is that Bogor gives me convenience of city facilities while also letting me feel closer to nature compared to bigger cities like Jakarta. For example, I can easily find modern shopping centers and universities, but I'm also only a short drive away from rice fields and hiking trails. So, move to the next question is, what do you like most about where you live? So what I like most about where I live is the weather. The weather is it's like cooler and more pleasant than most other cities in Indonesia. That's because Bogor is at a higher altitude and close to Mount Salak, which creates a mild climate and frequent light rain. So daily activities are more comfortable. For for example, I hardly ever need air conditioning during the day, and the evening the evening breeze is always refreshing, especially after a hot afternoon elsewhere. So move to the next question is, has your hometown changed much since you were a child? The answer is yes, it has changed a lot, but not in the usual way of physical development. Instead, it's because I've actually moved from one house to another, so my surroundings are always changing. The reason is that every relocation introduced me to different neighborhoods, schools, and local communities, which gave me a fragmented sense of hometown. Like, for example, I lived near the city center as a young child and then moved to a quieter suburban area and later to a more residential complex. So my experience of Bogor keeps shifting over time. Move to the last question is, would you prefer live in a city or countryside in the future? My answer is I prefer the countryside, but I want to be fairly populated, easy to access, and close to a convenience store. The reason is that I want a peaceful environment away from traffic and noise, but I still need basic cities facilities, like for practical reasons and emergencies. For example, a countryside area with a mini mart nearby and good road access will let me enjoy fresh air and quiet mornings, while I still being able to buy necessities or commute to work without any hassle. So that is for the part one. Move to the next part is I will describe my hometown. Yeah. So first, my hometown. Well, the place I know best and would love to talk, like you know it, like Bogor. It's Bogor. My hometown is a city that's about an hour driving from South Jakarta. But honestly, it feels like a completely different world. It's located between rolling hills and right next to a volcano, which give it this incredibly fresh and cool climate. You are you rarely need air conditioning, and there's often a light drizzle in the afternoon that makes everything look lush and bright green. And as for what you can do there is like it's a great mix of outdoor activities and relaxing things to do. You can spend a whole day cycling or jogging through the famous botanical garden, or you call it uh, Kebun Raya Bogor, which are huge and filled with old towering trees. If you're feeling more adventurous, you can hike up one of the nearby trails for the nice view of the city. But beside the tourist spots, I really enjoy the local food scene. You can easily find street vendors selling traditional snacks like, uh, you know, we call it like tahu gejrot or pickle fruits or asinan. And the whole atmosphere is quiet, relaxed, and slow paced, which is nice to break from a hectic big city life. And the people there are generally warm, friendly, and have a very relaxed attitude towards life. They are known for their polite Sundanese culture, so they tend to speak softly and value community get-togethers. Even though Bogor has grown quite a bit and attracts many newcomers, and the locals still keep a strong sense of togetherness. For example, my mom often hold a small communal meals, or they call it arisan, and they're always happy to help each other out of share recommendation for the best local eateries. And what truly makes Bogor memorable to me, though, is a bit personal. I've actually moved around a lot within the city itself, from the busy downtown area to the quieter suburban hills, and then to a more modern housing complex. Because of that, Bogor is not just one single place in my memory. It's a collection of different neighborhoods, and each connected to a different phase of my life. I still remember playing in the rain as a child near the old railway station, and later as a teenager spending lazy afternoon in a small coffee shop up in the hills. So for me, Bogor represents constant change and new discoveries. Yet it always offers that same comforting, fresh air and sense of home, which is make it truly unforgettable. So this is for the part 2, and thank you for listening. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.